Woodland mills. You guys know how I feel about the Woodland mills. It's a good sawmill. Good for what you paid for, not bad. I had the pin come out of my lift, and just so happened to we got that and got some firewood. I've been on a kick this year about trying to save and make as much money as we can from this. So all of this, I probably just would have chipped through that chipper, the BBR 16 chipper. We'll do a review on that too as well. But right now we're just going to clean all this up. This is the shed. I still got to put the batten on there, but we just cut that out. It's my first attempt to try to really build something. I may have messed up and didn't put any house wrap on it, so I'm kind of still wondering how I'm going to case this out without too much rainwater. Wrapped it and kind of kept, you know, it watertight, but I'm sure there's a way. I just got to think about it and maybe look online or something and figure it out. But corners came out nice, and then we still got to do the soffits and something with the trim. That's another 13-inch chipper I have. I'll keep that on site for this. Once I get set up, we just moved in here. You guys can go check out the house site video series that I failed at continuing, but we showed it clearing the land, building the driveway, getting the trailer here, getting it moved. And my plan is to get another road built back towards the back of the property. And that's probably where I'm going to have the sawmill set up with that chipper.
So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose tied.
I'm gonna go grab a log, all right? I'm not sure what the actual length is, so we may have to cut them. Oh, you know what? Yeah, but there was a little one that I wanted to keep. You know what? It was on my hip. I bet you it fell off. That sucks. Towards the front of the mill, because that's ultimately all you're going to be able to get anyway. So if you cut from the small end, at least you can see where you're at. No. Do 16.3, we'll see what that does. Mason, before you do that, can you back up the chipper and put it like right. See if you can get the chipper so that it goes right here and still keep the chute right there so we can throw all the cutoffs right in the chipper. Thank you, Mr. Sawyer.
Yeah.
These are called log stops. They're right here. So when we're loading the log up, we put them up so that it doesn't roll off the mill. It just yeah, but you don't have to torque it down too much. Just let it roll. I'm gonna try to slide it up to you a little bit. It's not gonna cut all the way throughout. I don't know if we're gonna be able to push this, bud. Okay. Yeah. If you put your foot on this, it gives you like a little bit of a... Okay, so now... No. His nose ring. It's the nose ring. I think that like throws me off.
What?
The nose ring.
Yeah. Take it out.
It's the nose ring. I wanted to, they said you could cut 16. I guess that's all you can cut, which is dumb because if you want 16 footers, you want a little bit on both sides. Lock it in. See how there's space there?
Yes.
You kind of want to avoid that, right? That's how you know you're going to cut a square, at least somewhat square. And then you'll get that, put that in there. It'd be nice if I had one more, but it broke, so decent, good enough. Lock that in and now we're ready to go. Ready to go. Should just cut it. Let's see. Yeah, go ahead. Look, we just hit a nail. But cut it up first. Don't, hey. So I don't know. I'm not sure. I may try and cut, see what it does.
Those teeth are a little
Oh yeah.
banged up. Like, look at these.
Oh yeah.
But they might work. I mean,
I doubt it. No, they're all boogered up. Look at that one. Go grab it. Yeah, don't. Those blades are no good. These are our. Matter of fact, put a nail in this, maybe somewhere.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars.